Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, is a technology that is integrated into vehicles to assist drivers by automating, augmenting, or enhancing the driving experience. They typically operate at the Society of Automotive Engineers, or SAE, International Automation Levels 1 and 2, where the driver remains engaged but receives varying degrees of assistance. When driver attention, reaction time, or visibility is limited, ADAS plays a crucial role in preventing accidents and enhancing driving comfort and safety. ADAS uses components such as sensors, electronic control units, or ECUs, actuators, and human-machine interfaces, or HMIs, along with software algorithms to perceive the environment, make decisions, and execute vehicle control commands and enable ADAS features. These features include Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, Lane Keeping Assist, or LKA, Automatic Emergency Braking, or AEB, and Blind Spot Detection, or BSD. ACC is an autonomous feature that allows a vehicle to adjust its speed based on the distance from another vehicle in front of it. LKA is a feature that alerts the driver when the vehicle begins drifting across the lane markings. AEB is a feature that is designed to automatically apply the brakes in response to unexpected situations while driving. BSD is a feature that alerts drivers about vehicles in adjacent lanes that are not visible in the vehicle mirror. Additional features of ADAS include parking assistance systems that can steer the vehicle into tight spaces, traffic sign recognition that displays relevant road signs on the dashboard, and driver monitoring systems that detect fatigue or distraction and provide timely alerts. ADAS capabilities are classified into 6 levels of automation, ranging from level 0, where the driver performs all tasks, to level 5, which is completely autonomous with no human interaction. ADAS is a significant step forward in automotive safety, and the future of ADAS points toward increasingly sophisticated systems.